What's good, everybody? That right there is a jumping back kick. So previously, we did the regular, just back kick on the ground. But today, this kick, the jumping back kick, is not an offensive kick, but it's more of a defensive kick. So what happens is, imagine your opponent is just right up to you, you're very close, they're going to kick you on the spot, you spin and you kick. So we're going to break this down for you really quickly. First things first, jumping straight up, right? The only difference is we're going to turn, and when you jump, you're going to switch your feet. That's the first motion. We're going to bounce, jump, switch our feet. And from here, we're going to do the same thing we did with our back leg and just fully extend straight. With this jumping back kick, it's very crucial. You're not overturning because it leaves you wide open to get hit. So we're going to jump straight up, turn just enough so that your feet is right in front of the bag. From here, we're just going to extend our leg in the air, and same thing, punch the ground. Just like that. And if you like that, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.